Hello, good evening, IG. My name is Noura, accounting and tax professional and the founder of Noura's Books. We are now February 24, so we are about 2 weeks or a little bit more away from the deadline for tax return for partnership and S Corp. If you haven't filed yet for your S Corp or partnership, go ahead and book your consultation, and I'll be happy to help you with that along with my team. We can help you if you haven't done your bookkeeping for the last year. If you need some touch up for your books, we can help you with that as well. So to make sure you are filing a good return along with taking all the deduction you need to. If you need to do an extension because you're not ready yet, make sure you are doing the extension as well for your personal tax return as well. All the partners, all the shareholders, they need to be doing an extension if you decided to do the extension for your business. So I want to talk about two deductions that are very important to know about, especially if you have a new S Corp or new partnership. You have organizational costs. In general business, this might apply for most of the business, if not all. So you have organizational costs, you have startup costs. So startup cost is any cost that happened before you actually do your business. This is in a preparation for your business. You can take a deduction for that. Organizational cost is what you have to do in terms of paperwork, registration with the state, registration with the federal partnership agreements, operation agreement, anything of that like that, to pay your attorney and to put a plan, just to organize, forming your company. That's all falls under organizational cost. Some stuff might fall under startup cost. So basically startup cost, any cost that you have to do before you open your door for business. And I know now with the virtual world, opening the door for business means you just started to accept clients, right? So make sure you keep track of all these expenses, and if you haven't kept track, you might need some time to do that. Make sure you do the extension. So organizational costs and startup costs, you can deduct $5,000 up to $5,000 in the first year. But if you have more cost, you have to carry it over to deduct it in the following year. Any cost left, you have to amortize it over 15 years, which is 180 month, which is 15 years. So you have to, whatever left, like anything over $5,000, you take those costs and deduct from the following years. So you can take deduction in the next 15 years. So that will benefit you so much, because will lower your profits. So therefore it's going to lower your taxes in the upcoming year when you are profitable. So you have to take it though in the first year of business. If you haven't take it in the first year, you will lose it later. But taxes can be amended. So if you haven't taken it, you might need to amend your taxes. So talk to your professional. Feel free to book a call with me. We have 15 minutes, 15 minutes, not 5 hours, 15 minutes consultation. Free consultation. We can talk about your situation and decide if we want to work together, and I can help you with all your accounting and tax need. We can file your taxes for you and make sure you get all the deduction you deserve. Again, if you have any question, please book a call. If you want me to talk about any other subject, please feel free to inbox me or to contact me at noura@nourasbooks.com, or just book a call in the bio, and we'll be happy to hear from you and to do help you with your taxes. Again, partnership and S Corp are due on March 15, so you don't have much time left. Go ahead and book the call now, and we'll be happy to help you. Have a great night. How do we end this again? It's been so long since I've been in Instagram.